Hey guys, it's Reese. Welcome to another toy car unboxing video. As you can tell, I've already started to unbox the Blue Highways 2 Matchbox 5 pack, which has the 1963 Austin Healey Roadster, 57 Ford T-Bird, 2016 Chevy Camaro convertible, 1956 S Martin DVR1, and the 1956 Jaguar XK140 Roadster. So we're gonna start this off with the Austin Healey in this really cool two colors, green and white. Really cool. Then probably one of my favorites from this 5-pack is this really cool orange 57 Ford T-Bird convertible. Doesn't say convertible, but I think it is just because, well, there's obviously no hardtop thing there. So yeah. And then next up is the 2016 Chevy Camaro convertible in black. Then we have the Aston Martin 1 DVR1 Roadster in red. Now this red version is the 5-pack exclusive. This will not be sold as a mainline. There were two mainline versions, I believe, or possibly just one. Actually, yeah, there were two mainline versions, green and then gray. And then there was a 5-pack version in green, but it had racing numbers on it. And that was featured in the Top Gun 5-pack. Well, one of them, I do believe. So now we have it in red for another 5-pack version of it for the 1956 Aston Martin 1 DVR1 Roadster. I haven't seen too many versions of this car, but I do know this is probably the newest color version of this 1956 Jaguar XK140 Roadster. So yeah. Anyways, there's all 5 cars from the Blue Highways 2 5-pack, which I just fully unboxed. And that's gonna do it, and I'll see you in my next toy car unboxing video or live stream. Bye now.